I'm going to see. I'm going to sit and monitor everyone.
Okay, go ahead and monitor from there, not from here. Gracious.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So today we are going to discuss Unit 3. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So in Unit 3, these are all the topics we are going to discuss. So first topic, business to consumer electronic commerce. Second topic, consumer trade transaction. Next topic, internet shopping and trade cycle. Next topic, e-commerce technology. Then next topic, internet TCP IP and internet components. The next topic, uses of internet. The next topic, HTML. The next topic, client side and server side scripting. Then next topic, elements of e-commerce. Then next topic, e-visibility. Then next topic, e-shop. Then next topic, online payments. Then last topic, website evaluation model. Gracious, are you writing? Are you writing or not?
Yes,
Okay. You just
I'm writing.
okay, good. So today we are going to learn half of the unit 3. Okay. I will cover up to HTML. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let's we go first topic. So the first topic is business to consumer electronic commerce. First, I'm giving the introduction about electronic commerce. After that, I will explain the concept of business to consumer electronic commerce. You just listen carefully, okay? So, electronic commerce means with the help of internet, if you are buying or selling any of the items or services. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Electronic commerce means with the help of internet, if you are doing any business. So business to consumer electronic commerce means with the help of internet, if you are buying any item from any of the retail shop. Okay. If you are buying any of the item from the retail shop with the help of online, that's business to consumer. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, I'm clear.
Okay. So if you are buying any of the item from the wholesale shop means that's business to business. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So business to consumer electronic commerce, it's a form of web-based shopping. Means with the help of internet, if you are making any shopping means that's business to consumer electronic commerce. Okay. So this business to consumer also called as B2C or business to customer. So this is the introduction about business to consumer electronic commerce. Under that, no subtitle, just explain what is meant by business to consumer electronic commerce and one example. That is the outline of this particular topic. So next example. For example, if you are buying any of the item from any of the retail shop with the help of online. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay.
The network is tripping.
Oh, sorry for that. Anyway, I'm recording my class. So at the end of this session, I will upload in YouTube.
You send on YouTube.
Yeah. So you just listen the class. Okay?
Are you going to send on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just listen. So first topic is over. Are you clear? Are you clear with this? Just explain what is mean by business to consumer electronic commerce and example. That's all. Are you clear with this? Gracious?
Yes.
Okay. Then let's move to next topic. So this is the next topic, consumer trade transaction. Okay, consumer trade transaction. Yeah, consumer trade transaction. So in this topic, we are going to see the definition about consumer trade transaction and some steps in trade transaction. Okay, so totally we are going to discuss 8 steps. Okay, so first definition about trade transaction and 8 steps in trade transaction. Okay, so first I'm giving the definition about trade transaction. So trade transaction means the process of buying or selling any of the items between two parties. The two parties are buyer and seller. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the process of buying and selling any of the items or services among two parties. Those parties are buyer and seller. One who willing to buy means buyer, then the another one willing to sell called as seller. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so these trade transaction conducted in 8 steps. So we are going to Gracious.
Network is bad.
Yeah, I know. Lawrence is waiting to join in our meeting. I connected, but due to poor network, he is waiting to join. Okay, let me explain the first step. Gracious. So first step in trade transaction, Gracious, can you hear? Okay. First step in trade transaction. Number 1, inquiry or prospect. So if you want to buy any of the item from any of the shop, means before buying that product, you need to inquire about that. That is the step number 1. So it's a request made by a buyer to a seller for buying any of the product. So the buyer must inquire the following requirements like quality, size, shape, design, packing, quantity, time and place of delivery, price and terms of payment, credit period, discount, then sample price list, catalogs. So these are all the requirements the buyer must inquire before buying any of the product. So those inquiries may be in verbal or written format. So this inquiry also called as prospect. Are you clear? Gracious, are you hearing or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm hearing.
So first step, inquiry or prospect. Inquiry means sending the request to the seller by buyer. So if you want to buy any of the product from any of the seller, means you need to inquire some of the requirements like quality, size, shape, design, packing, quantity, time and place of delivery, price and terms of payment, credit period, discount, sample price list. Then, shall we move to next step? Number 2. Gracious. Shall we move?
Yes, I'm getting you.
Okay. Then, number
I'm getting
1.
you.
Okay. Number 1, inquiry. Number 2, quotation. So, after making inquiry, you need to send the quotation to the seller. So quotation means it's a reply to an inquiry. So it's an offer made by the seller to the buyer to sell the goods at certain terms and conditions. So these are all the information contains in quotation. Quality and quantity of goods offered for sale, sale price per unit and discount, time mode and place of delivery, terms of payment, details of duties and taxes, then mode of transport and details of packing. என்ன எப்படி இருக்கு கிளாஸ்?
I'm connecting others now. Continue. How many? How many after?
ரெண்டெண்ணா வந்துச்சு, அது வெயிட்டிங்ல இருக்கு.
It is started or not?
ஏன் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகலையா?
Record ஆகும்.
ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுதா?
Continue.
ஏன்னா அவளை காணவே இல்லை.
இருக்கா? She's there.
ஆனா எனக்கு தெரியலையே அவளுக்கு.
She's there. She's not in. Continue.
Okay, step 2. After step 1, step 2, quotation. Quotation means it's an reply to your inquiry.
Step 2.
So this
After
what
step
yes,
1.
yeah. After step 1, this is step 2. Yes, 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 yes. Quotation means it's a reply. Yes, reply. Yeah, sent to the seller, to the buyer. It's a reply sent by seller to the buyer. Sent by seller to the buyer. Yes. So it's an offer made by the seller to the buyer to sell that goods at certain terms and conditions. Then quotation includes the following information. Like quality and quantity of goods offered for sale. Number 2, sale price per unit and discount if any. Then third, time, mode and place of delivery. The next, terms of payment. The next, details of duties and taxes payable. The next, mode of transport and details of packing, labeling, etc. Then step 3, acceptance or placing an order. Order is an acceptance of the offer or quotation by a buyer. The quotations are received from various dealers to the buyer. So, in this step, the buyer have to select the best among all the quotations sent by the various dealers. Then the buyer have to make comparative study among all the quotations, and the buyer have to select one optimum quotation among all those quotations. So those quotations accepted either orally or in written format. Then that quotations contains the following information like quantity, quality of the goods, rate and total cost, terms of payment. Then last one, time and place of delivery, mode of delivery, types of packing. So these are all the information contains in order. Then step 4, acknowledgement and status inquiry. So after receiving the order, the seller have to make one notebook for entering those orders received from buyer and sending the acknowledgement back to the buyer. If the buyer is a new customer means the seller have to make inquiry about their status. So if that buyer is okay means immediately the seller can send the item. If the seller is not satisfied with that particular buyer means the seller make delay for delivering the item to that particular buyer. So in this step, the seller conducting status inquiry about the buyer. Then step 5, execution of an order. So in this step, if the seller is not satisfied with the எப்படி ரெக்கார்ட் தானே ஆகுது அதனால அதை கண்டுக்கல
அதில் தானே அர்த்தம் வர்றது தெரியும் சொல்றதை விட்டுட்டு மற்றதெல்லாம் 3 பேர் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
நான் அட்மிட் கொடுத்தேன் கனெக்டிங் தான் வருது
அதுக்காகத்தானே வந்து நான் இதை வச்சு விட்டு போகிறேன்.
அது தானே ஓடி ஓடி போகுது என்ன பண்ண உங்களை மாதிரி சொல்லி வச்சு கேட்காம எல்லாம் சொட்ட மாதிரி தான் பிஹேவ் பண்ணுது. எதுக்கு இப்படி ஃபுல் ஸ்க்ரீன் வைக்கிறீங்க? இனோக்கு மட்டும் எதுக்கு அந்த ரெட் கலர் சிம்பிள் காமிக்குது?
Continue.
You can go now. You can watch from that monitor, not from here.
Continue.
ஈனோக்கு மட்டும் எதுக்கு ரெட் கலர்ல இருக்கு?
பேச விடாம வச்சிருக்கேன்.
ஏன்?
மீட்டிங் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு எல்லாத்தையும் பேச விடுவேன். இப்போ பேச விடக்கூடாது.
ஏன்? அவங்க டவுட் எப்படி கேட்பாங்க?
மீட்டிங் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு கேட்பேன்.
எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து விடுங்க.
Continue the session.
Okay, you just go out. After that, I will continue. Okay, step 5, execution of an order. So in this step, if the seller is not satisfied with any of the buyer, means the seller may reject the order by giving an excuse in a decent manner. But if the seller satisfied with any of the buyer, means immediately the seller can send the acknowledge to the buyer. So this execution of order contains the following steps, like intimation to warehouse keeper, packing and dispatching of goods, issue of delivery note, arrangement of transportation of the goods. Then step 6, invoicing. Invoicing means it's a bill for the goods. So it's usually in a printed form which includes details related to the quality, quantity of the goods,
ஆடியோவை
எல்லாத்தையும் போட்டுங்க அப்பதான் அவங்க கேட்பாங்க. ஆ
பேசிப்ப ஆடியோலாம் மியூட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
ஏன் நானா?
பேசு.
நான் உங்ககிட்ட கேட்கட்டு இந்த டாபிக் முடிஞ்சது. Do you have any doubt in this? எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து விடுங்க.
கேளு, நான் எடுத்து விட்டுக்கிறேன்.
A second topic is over. So if you are having any doubt means you can ask now. So if you are having any doubt in trade transaction means you can clear your doubts now. ஈனோக்கு மட்டும் எதுக்கு ரெட்டில் வருது?
ஆன் பண்ணும்போது வந்து என்ன செய்யலாம்?
Gracious, do you have any doubt?
Yes.
Do you have any doubt in second topic, trade transaction?
No, I've gotten everything.
Okay, good, thank you. Shall we move to next topic?
Yes.
Internet shopping.
Yes.
Okay. So in this topic,
Proceed.
okay, in this topic we are going to discuss the definition of internet shopping and the trade cycle of internet shopping. So internet shopping means with the help of internet, if we are buying any of the item. Are you clear? For example,
Yes, but I can't see the PowerPoint.
you can see.
I can't see the PowerPoint.
Mari, wait. அவளுக்கு பவர் பாயிண்ட் தெரியல. வெயிட் வெயிட். அவளுக்கு தெரியலையா? பவர் பாயிண்ட் தெரியல, என்ன பண்ண?
பவர் பாயிண்ட் தெரிஞ்சு தானே இருக்கு.
செக் ப்ராப்பர்லி. அவளுக்கு தெரியலையா? வெயிட் வெயிட். அந்த பையன் வந்துட்டான். ஓகே. Can you see now? Gracious.
Yes.
Yes. Why you are coming late? You know.
No, I'm not late. I was online.
I can see now.
Okay, good. You know, call others.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you
Sorry?
do you have any doubt in first topic and second topic? Do you have any doubt?
First topic wasn't there, so I think you sent for me.
Okay, I will send. You don't worry. I will post this video in our college website YouTube channel. Okay, so you can get. So the next topic, okay, third topic, internet shopping. So internet shopping means with the help of internet, if you are searching or purchasing any of the goods or services.
What did?
So without moving anywhere, you can get that item. That is the main purpose for. Hey, keep quiet. You people are making noise from your home. Just maintain silence. Enoch.
It's Enoch.
Yeah, Enoch making noise.
It's making noise.
Yes. So Enoch, please be quiet.
Yes.
Okay. So the next topic, internet shopping. So internet shopping means from your home, you can order or purchase any of the items or services. Okay. Means no need to go physically in any of the shop for buying the goods or services. So with the help of online, from your home itself, you can order what items you want. So that's the purpose of internet shopping. Then next, subtitle of internet shopping. So first subtitle, pre-sales in trade cycle. So pre-sales means before making trade, the two organizations